Hey, welcome to Howza channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to create Discord account. Let's go. Open a web browser. Paste the link you can find in the description box below. Open the web page. Click on Login at the top right corner. Click on Register. Enter your email. Create a username and a password. Click on Continue. Wait until an account is created. Click on Skip if you don't want to see welcome tips. Your account is created. The next step is to verify your email. Go to your email inbox and look for a letter from Discord. Open it. Click on Verify Email. It will redirect you to a new web page. Check I'm not a robot. Complete the CAPTCHA and click on Verify. You will get a message saying that your email is verified. Click on Open Discord in the pop-up message. Log into your account. Enjoy! Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!